Alright guys, welcome back. As you remember yesterday, started right here as well. I went through and tied all these pipes down, the ones that I did, the 3 here. Actually, I think I just did the 2. I did that one earlier, so I just strapped down these 2 and then went ahead and did these 3 right here. So as you can see, have the spacing in between, which is going down all the way. Those kind of got kicked together, I think, over there, so I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe need to throw another strap in there, but for the most part, it should be pretty accurate with the spacing. Some spots, they're touching for like a little bit, which is fine. So this probably is a little bit too much. So I probably need to put a strap like right there, something like that. So anyways, strapping this down for probably at least half the day. It's starting to rain right now. Anyways, so strapped down a bunch of these runs right here, these runs right there. Rain's starting to pick up, that's fantastic. But I won't be working tomorrow, so that's good for New Year's, which sucks for you because I won't be making a video about work. But I'll be back Thursday and Friday, and I don't know, maybe I'll do something like, if I have free time in the morning, I might make a video for you guys, something else. But as far as work, no. So went ahead. These were touching, actually both of these were touching the green post tension cable right here, so I had to take that apart a little bit and fix that. And then there was another spot that was touching over here. The phone's getting all wet. So got these, those aren't mine. But I went ahead and strapped these down. And then there was some more messes over here. So someone snapped this pipe, the Smurf tube, which was over here. Someone snapped it in half and stepped on it. So basically put a Smurf connector, which is also ENT, which I didn't even know that. Electrical non-metallic tubing. So I extended that over to here and then tied this down a whole bunch of times, and then put it on a piece of rebar to make it sturdy. So I fixed that, and then if you remember yesterday, coming out of this box over here, or this Smurf 45 is what they call it, basically finished that pipe run, which goes over to that box over there. And then one more thing, not too much today, but it did take up the whole day, so that was nice. They went by pretty quickly. I do need to make sure that my parking doesn't expire and I get a ticket or whatever, so I need to go. Actually, I think I'm good until like 3:47, so I should be good on that. But anyways, if you remember yesterday, there was a box over here. This pipe went over to a box, but basically took that out because the box goes over in this flooring area when they built that, I think. So basically just cut it and then ran this pipe out the end of the form over there. So anyways, that should, I think, do it for most of my day. I picked up some garbage at the end of the day, cleaned things up and stuff like that. But as you can see, there is quite a bit of pipe out here. They do have a toilet up here, which is nice, and it smells good. But there is a lot of pipe going through here, like just 7 runs of pipe here, 7 runs pipe there, 7 runs of pipe over there, or whatever. So there's lots of different pipe. So basically they're going to pour this concrete on Friday, and then they still have to build the floor for the rest of this over here. So over there, I think they're going to build this out too, and then so basically from here to the wall over there or whatever. So yeah, still something to go, but I think this is pretty much done up here for the most part. So I'm not sure what we're going to do Thursday, and then they're pouring concrete on Friday. So hopefully I'll be doing like something underneath this deck right here on Thursday and Friday, trying to keep a little bit drier. But it didn't rain too bad today, which I'm really thankful for. So just a little drizzle. As you can see, there's water on the deck and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, that should do it. And yep. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. If If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It greatly helped me out. If you feel like helping me, I would appreciate that. I will see you guys back here on Thursday for another work video, but I will be doing some other type of videos tomorrow. Granted, I wake up early enough because I have some stuff going on in the evening. So anyways, I will be working on the how much money I made in 2019 video if you're interested in that, and some other things. So just make sure to look forward to that one video at least, but maybe I'll throw in some other ones if I got some quick ones I can run through or just talk about or whatever. So anyways, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Check out the social medias in the description below and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos. Thanks, guys. God bless. Peace out. See you tomorrow. Yes.